everyone, this is a mega announcement video that we are starting a bootcamp on this channel. It's a Python bootcamp. Everything will be hands-on. We will be doing some mini projects along with this bootcamp. While you learn the basics, we will also do some exciting projects, and we will continue our learning. We will cover the basics of Python and teach you the Python basics in detail in each and every topic. And the bootcamp is starting from next month, that is from March. Kindly fill up the Google form link. The link is given in the description. Kindly fill up the Google form, and there will be a playlist where all the videos will be there. I will create a playlist for that, so go access that playlist and bookmark it. And don't forget to like and share this video so that many people can get benefit from it. And it's a request to all of you to be attentive and take notes of each lecture which I am gonna teach you, so that you can understand them properly. And stay tuned, subscribe to this channel and stay tuned, and fill up the Google forms, join the Discord channel. See you in the next one.